Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I am going to be tackling a topic that I've always been asked several times. Now, this is a topic that is very common, and that is YouTube monetization versus Facebook monetization in Nigeria. Now, as a content creator, figuring out which platform to focus on can be super confusing, right? So, especially when both are throwing all these requirements at you, and you are like, wait, where's the money? Do but fear not, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform is better for your content, easier to monetize, and which one has the real potential to make dollars for you, right? So we'll cover different requirements, the ease of monetization, which platform is better for certain type of content. So grab your popcorn because we are going to have real details today, right? So this is going to be a detailed video comparing Facebook ads, Facebook monetization, and YouTube monetization, right? So let's look at the major requirements for each of these different platforms. So you need to understand that there are different monetization requirement for these different platforms. So for YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers. Once you get 1,000 subscribers, you are in an eligible country. If you're in Nigeria, Nigeria is eligible for um, YouTube monetization, unlike Facebook monetization, where you have to be. Nigeria is not eligible for in-stream ad monetization. In fact, the recent news I got to hear lately, which is yet to be confirmed, is that you cannot even apply for monetization. You'll be invited to monetize your content on Facebook, which I think is too extreme. But on YouTube, you just need to get 1,000 subscribers. So that basically means that you need to beg your entire family, all your friends, your random strangers, exes, and even your wives and children to subscribe to your platform, and that will just even get you halfway there, right? So you need to also have 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. So now this means that people need to watch the total of 4,000 hours of a 10 minutes video, right? So for context, I believe you get what I'm trying to say. So that means for a 10 minutes video, they need to watch it for about 24,000 times. 10 minutes video, 24,000 times. So this is easy. I don't think so, right? So then you need to also link a Google AdSense to that particular account where your money will be staying. So those are the three things you need to get together to be able to get your YouTube channel monetized. Meanwhile, you also need to follow the rules. Don't post any copyright infringement stuff or shady content that will get you demonetized. YouTube can be strict on these things. I can bear you witness with that. Before I got monetized, I made a lot of mistakes, right? So don't make those mistakes. Post content that are original to you. Now let's talk about Facebook monetization. So the thing about Facebook monetization, you need to understand that you need to have a Facebook page, not just your personal profile. You need to have a Facebook page. Then you need at least 10,000 followers. Yeah, not 1,000, 10,000, right? So Facebook so you can see that Facebook is different from that of YouTube, right? So and also need to have 600,000 minutes of watch time in the last 60 days. 600,000 minutes of watch time in the last 60 days. Now, if you're wondering that, you will say that this is quite less compared to that of YouTube, right? So now let's put that into context. It means that you need to get at least 10,000 hours. That is 600 minutes. 600 minutes is equivalent of 10,000 hours, right? So you see that this is a bit difficult to an extent, depending on the kind of content you are into, or depending on the niche you are into, right? So you need to make sure that you have posted at least 5 active videos on your page within this period of time. So this can be videos that you have boosted with ads. It can be boosted video that you have sent from cross platforms. It can be videos from different stuff. It has to be your original content, right? Those are the videos that will get you monetized. So I believe you've seen the difference between the two different platforms, right? So now let's look at which monetization is easier. So the monetization that is easier now that you've been able to see the requirements and the different things that you need to do. So and you've seen, let's look at the different which one is easier. So let me break it down one by one now. The thing about YouTube is that it's a bit more straightforward. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of view, right, you are eligible to apply for monetization. Easy, without any issue. I can tell you that. But getting there, that's where the grind is. So you need to grind a lot to get there. According to Pew Research, for instance, now 81% of YouTube users says they regularly watch YouTube to learn how to do something new. That means that if you are good at making tutorial explainer videos or reviews, you could grow your faster than you think. So you need to be able to any know how DIY videos, they are very easy on YouTube. So especially if you are sewing, you can be on YouTube. If you are a tailor, carpenter, something that has to do with hand, technical person, you can easily get your goal on YouTube. So 70% of YouTube traffic, right, comes from recommendation. So if the algorithm likes you, you could blow up quickly. So you need to be do everything that will favor the algorithm. For Facebook though, you they are out here like we love viral content. If you can create short engaging videos that people will share like crazy, you will see results fast. Facebook algorithm is all about engagement, shares, comments and reactions. They care less about long watch time and more about how many people you can get to hook up within 3 seconds. According to Buffer, video posts on Facebook have 135% greater organic reach than photo posts. So it's all about grabbing attention right away. However, hitting the 600,000 minute watch hour, that is 10,000 hours, sounds very, very hard. Unless you are out here going viral with funny skits and trending topics, getting that much engagement takes real effort. So your content has to be very engaging on Facebook for you to be able to reach the potential. So now, which one is easier? Looking at these two different options, right? Which one do you think is easier? I will allow you 2 seconds to decide that. Okay, so which is easier? To me, I think YouTube is quite easier compared to Facebook, because I don't think I can reach that particular this thing on Facebook, right? So if you are good at engaging people fast, Facebook might feel easy for you, right? But if you prefer creating in-depth content and letting the platform do the promotion for you, YouTube could be your best bet. If you are providing solutions, YouTube is your best bet. Let's also look at which one is more profitable, right? Now, for the part we've all been waiting for, right? So let me show you where the money is. Which one is more profitable compared to the other? So for YouTube, YouTube pays you based on CPM. That's cost per mile, or in simple term, how much you get paid per 1,000 view of ads. For me, for instance, now I get paid around $5 per 1,000 views of ads. Right now, here in Nigeria, YouTube CPM are lower than the places like US, UK. I'm talking about $0.5 to 1.5 per 1,000 views. So if you are making Nigerian if you are making Nigerian specific content, don't expect to retire off YouTube just yet. However, here's where YouTube shines. Now, take note of this. You can earn through super chat, membership, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and more. Once you build an audience, you can create multiple income beyond just ads. What am I trying to say in essence is this: is that when you are considering making money on YouTube, you must also make sure you are making content that will target people outside Nigeria, right? So if you target people outside Nigeria, the ads that are shown to people outside Nigeria, they are the cost per click of those ads is high than those in Nigeria, right? Those that if you target people outside Nigeria, US, UK, if your contents are showing more to those people, you earn more. But if you are showing content to people in Nigeria, seriously, you are going to take a lot of time before you can start making real dollars, right? So it's always important that you try to create content that are globally well known, and that would attract you the kind of dollars that you want to attract. So now let's consider Facebook, for instance. Now, while for Facebook, it's a little trickier. Facebook CPM for ads tend to be lower than that of YouTube's. According to Statista, Facebook CPMs for videos can range from $0.3 to $1, right, in Nigeria. But Facebook is all about diversifying income streams. You can earn from ad breaks, fan subscription, and Facebook stars during live streams, where fans can tip you, right? So the fan subscription features can be a game changer. Imagine you have 500 loyal fans paying you $4.99 every month. That's about $2,500, right? So right there, without even counting ad revenue, not bad at all, right? You can make your money on Facebook. So you need to build a community if you want Facebook to work for you, right? So the next thing we're going to be looking at about this monetization part is that which platform is best for you. Best platform for different niches, right? So you can't just decide which platform. You have to decide which platform based on the niche you are into. Now let's talk about the niches. Not every platform works well for every type of content. So where should you focus? Now, if you are into long form content, like I mentioned before, like tech reviews, tutorials, educational videos, or even vlogs, then you can consider using um, YouTube, because YouTube will give you the kind of results that you want if you are into tech reviews and all those kind of videos, because on those particular platforms it makes it easier for you to be able to people to get to find you. When they search for your videos online, they'll be able to see your videos online, right? So when they search for you on Google, for instance, your videos can pop up because you are solving problems, right? And don't forget, YouTube is connected to Facebook. YouTube is connected to Google, right? So that way, when people search for videos, they'll be able to see those videos on those platforms. Now, even if you are into storytelling or creating documentaries, your YouTube, right, audience, they will appreciate those kind of content. Your YouTube audience will appreciate those kind of content, right? If you are creating those step-by-step videos that have the ability to make impact, right? Those videos are very important, and I can tell you that since I started making content that guide people on different aspects of life, right? How to solve problems, I've been getting very good engagement, and those engagement can allow you to be able to scale through on your journey to making money online. So YouTube audience will appreciate those kind of content, right? Storytelling and all those. The next thing you should also consider is that you should also consider content for your Facebook now. And okay, let's look at this now. If you are thinking I don't do long form stuffs, don't worry. YouTube also have shorts, so you can do YouTube shorts as well. And people are getting millions of views on YouTube short, so you can even monetize your YouTube short, right? Easily. So for Facebook, on the other hand, it's perfect for short viral content, right? If you are into lifestyle, fitness, or news commentaries, you can crush it on short, engaging videos that go viral quickly. Facebook rewards content that people interact with instantly, shares, comment, reactions. This works, right? According to Hootsuite, Facebook user engage most with videos that are under 2 minutes. So if you are like keeping it snappy, Facebook could be the best friend. In summary, now, if you are into depth searchable content, YouTube is the way to go. But if you are like quick attention grabbing content, and you are aiming for virality, then Facebook is the best choice. So now let me ask you, which one do you think is suitable for you? Which one do you want to go for? Facebook or YouTube? Whichever decision you make, I want to guarantee you that you just need to commit yourself. Commitment is the key to monetizing any of your account, either Facebook or YouTube. It doesn't matter now. Commitment, dedication, and constant posting and constant making of content is the way to go. How this video has helped you to be able to decide on which platform you want to get monetized. My name is Akinwala Ezekiel, and I'll see you in other videos. Thank you, and peace out.